Have you ever dreamed of turning your leisurely time into a profitable venture? Imagine this. You're relaxing on your couch, watching entertaining videos, and suddenly your phone buzzes with a notification. You've just earned $180. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to an exciting opportunity that can make this dream a reality. Welcome to WealthWalk, your go-to channel for discovering new and innovative ways to make money online. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest money-making strategies. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of earning money by watching videos. The first thing you need to do is visit a website called earnably.com. This platform offers a variety of ways to earn money, but today, we'll focus on making money through watching videos. I will show you a proof of payment at the end of the video. To get started, create a free account on Earnably. You can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or PayPal account, or simply use your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, where every task or video you complete earns you points that can be exchanged for real money. The best part? You only need to earn $1 to cash out, which is achievable in just a few minutes. On Earnably.com, you'll find a section dedicated to watching videos. Here you can choose from various categories like music, food, DIY, gaming, business, celebrity, and more. Select your preferred category and start earning money while enjoying your favorite content. The video selection on Earnably is big and diverse, ensuring that there's something for everyone. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a foodie, a gaming fanatic, or a DIY lover, you'll find plenty of videos to watch and earn points from. The platform is constantly updating its video library, so you'll never run out of fresh content to enjoy. This is why I decided to share this website with you. One of the best things about earning money by watching videos on Earnably is that you can do it at your own pace. There's no pressure to watch a certain number of videos or earn a specific amount of points. You can watch as many or as few videos as you like, whenever you have the time. This flexibility makes it easy to fit earning money into your daily routine without having to sacrifice your other commitments or leisure activities. Moreover, watching videos on Earnably is not only a way to earn money, but also a great opportunity to discover new content and expand your knowledge. With such a wide range of categories available, you might stumble upon a fascinating documentary, an informative tutorial, or a hilarious comedy skit that you would have never found otherwise. So, not only will you be earning money, but you'll also be enriching your mind and broadening your horizons. But that's not all. This website also offers additional ways to boost your earnings. In the Offers section, you can complete tasks like downloading apps, signing up for free trials, and more. These offers often pay well compared to other websites. For example, by simply downloading and using a social media app for a day, you can earn 800 points. Another way to maximize your earnings is by participating in surveys. Earnably has a wide range of surveys, from 1-minute questionnaires to 30-minute surveys. Choose any survey that interests you, answer some simple questions, and earn points that can be redeemed for real money. Now, here's a bonus tip. Earnably has partnerships with multiple video watching platforms like Pixelpoint TV, Loot TV, and others. By opening these platforms in separate tabs, you can watch videos simultaneously, multiplying your earnings tenfold. Remember, the more offers you complete and videos you watch, the more money you can earn. And with Earnably's low payout threshold of just $1, you can quickly cash out your earnings via PayPal or other payment methods available in your country. But you might be wondering, is this too good to be true? Well, let me assure you, it's not. Earnably has a stellar reputation, with over 4.5 stars on Trustpilot, indicating its legitimacy as a platform for making money online. Thousands of users have already benefited from this opportunity, and you can be one of them. Now I know what you might be thinking. I don't have the time to sit and watch videos all day. But that's the beauty of this opportunity. You can earn money during your free time, whether you're waiting in line, commuting to work, or simply relaxing at home. And with the ability to watch videos on both your computer and mobile device, you can take advantage of this opportunity wherever you are. Plus, Earnably is constantly updating its platform with new video content and offers, ensuring that you'll never run out of ways to earn money. And if you ever have any questions or concerns, their friendly support team is always ready to assist you. But don't just take my word for it. Here's a success story from one of our viewers, Sarah. She writes, I was skeptical at first, but I decided to give Earnably.com a try. In just 1 week, I earned over $300 by watching videos and completing offers in my spare time. It's been a game changer for me, and I can't thank WealthWalk enough for introducing me to this opportunity. Stories like Sarah's are not uncommon. Many of our viewers have reported significant earnings through Earnably, and we love hearing about your successes. In fact, we'd love for you to share your own experiences in the comments below. Let us know how much you've earned and what you plan to do with your extra income. Now, I know some of you might be concerned about the legitimacy of making money online, and that's totally understandable. There are a lot of scams out there, but rest assured, WealthWalk only promotes legitimate and tested ways to earn money. We've done the research so you don't have to. And if you're worried about the technical aspects of getting started, don't be. Earnably is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Even if you're not the most tech-savvy person, you'll be able to start earning money in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Take control of your financial future and start earning money by watching videos today. And while you're at it, don't forget to explore the other money-making opportunities available on Earnably. In addition to watching videos, completing offers, and participating in surveys, this website also has a referral program. By sharing your unique referral link with friends and family, you can earn even more points when they sign up and start earning. It's a win-win situation. You help your loved ones discover a new way to make money, and you get rewarded for it. And if you're looking for even more ways to boost your earnings, keep an eye out for Earnably's daily bonuses and promotions. They often offer extra points for completing specific tasks or watching certain videos, giving you the chance to maximize your earnings even further. But the opportunities don't stop there. As a member of the WealthWalk community, you'll have access to exclusive tips, tricks, and insider knowledge on the best ways to make money online. We're constantly researching and testing new methods, and we share our findings with our subscribers first. So, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and be the first to know about the latest money-making opportunities, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We promise to keep you informed and entertained every step of the way. And remember, making money online doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With Earnably and WealthWalk by your side, you can turn your leisure time into a profitable venture with ease. This is the proof of payment as I promised to show. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Earnably and start turning your leisure time into a profitable venture. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to WealthWalk for more money-making tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.